The ability to do a squat is absolutely essential. It must be improved in order to improve your overall spinal health and fitness. I demonstrate progressively harder squats, and check out my video on door frame squats. Find the one that best meets your challenge and work on it every day. The greater the variations of squats you can do, the greater your spinal health and fitness. If you're new to this, do as much as you can tolerate and let that be your starting point to your improved spinal health and fitness. If you have a lower extremity joint replacement, only squat to 90 degrees. Begin with the chair squat. Find a hard chair, sit at the edge of the chair, relax. Set your feet comfortably apart, and then we're going to push up through our heels by bending forward. Put your hands between your knees, it's the easiest way. Bend forward, your hands can touch the floor if they need to. Don't fall over forward, just enough to get your body weight to assist with standing up. When you feel your body weight is over your heels, that's just the right point where you start to stand up. To sit down, you reverse the process. Gently bend your knees, bend forward, rest into your heels, and then slowly fall back into the chair. Try not to flop into the chair. Try to have some control. The more you do this, the stronger you'll get. The next squat is going to be the lunge or the split squat. Place your feet separate a little bit more than just your walking stride. And you want to keep your front foot heel on the floor while you drop your rear knee down to the floor. Readjust your feet to find the proper distance between the front and rear foot. After a few squats, switch feet and repeat. You can increase the challenge by dropping down to just before your knee touches the floor and hold it as long as you can. Here I show holding it as I come up and then I return to neutral. Holding a squat midway is an excellent way to increase the intensity of the squat, and you'll probably feel the burn soon, and then you just straighten back up, recover, and repeat. Now we move to the double-legged squat, and I'm going to show this in two different ways. The repeated squat on the right, and then the holding squat on the left. As I squat down, I can actually hold it as far low as I can get. On the right, I go as low as I can go, then I return, and that's a good way of increasing overall mobility. But on the left, I'm increasing the challenge, and I'm really feeling the burn. Here I demonstrate doing the static hold of the squat, but using the assistance of a chair, so you don't fall forward or backwards. Lower yourself down as far as you can before you touch the seat. Hold it, and then slowly go back down. The squat on the right, you can hold it when you are as deep down as you can, which gives a good stretch to the lumbopelvic region. The chair squat, again, holding it as long as you can before you touch it, and then slowly coming back up. These are two great ways to increase the intensity of the squat. The rear foot elevated single leg squat is my favorite squat. Place your rear ankle on the edge of the chair, as shown, and you want your rear knee to be slightly behind the front knee, as demonstrated here. And then you just go as low as you can go. Depending on the height of the chair, you may not be able to get your knee all the way down to the floor, but that's okay. Just go as low as you can. What I like about this squat is that it encapsulates all my ideals of a fitness routine. Any age can do this squat, and it challenges your mobility, strength, endurance, and balance. This squat can be done every day for the rest of your life, and you can increase the intensity by increasing the number of squats you do every day. Maybe every week, increase it by 5 per day. And you can increase the number of squats you do at a single time. And then you rest and repeat it every hour or every 2 or 3 hours. The last variation is a pistol squat. This is a very difficult one to do, and I also demonstrate this using the door frame for assistance. I've yet to be able to do this unassisted, so I'm still working on it. If there are only two foundational movements to improve, they would be your spinal extension and squats. Visit drrobrehab.com posterior chain to improve your spinal extension.